Damn silvered onions. Shut up, dude. That was like fucking 3 years ago. Leave me alone.
Specifically for no silver onions. Make that a large combo, actually, and I would like a Coca-Cola. I stand there waiting in the restaurant.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna... They ask me at the drive-thru. I say, can I get no onions on that? And sometimes they go, oh, but like it comes with onion. We don't really take them off. And I'm like, but I have an onion allergy. And they always take it off. No, I guess you can take off the onions, can't you, you fucking whore? I guess now you know how to take it off, you fucking slut. You have an allergy? No, I don't. I lie because I hate onions. Do you have any allergy? Yeah. I'm allergic to outside. I'm allergic to bullshit. And I smell it on you.
Cookie! Cookie! It's a